Khuzaiyah. I'm a lecturer of Midwifery program, University Muhammadiyah Pekajangan, Pekalongan, Indonesia. And now, I'm pursuing my PhD in Midwifery at University Brunei Darussalam. Here, I invite you all to join the upcoming event, Workshop in Difficult Airway Management, provided by Anesthesia Department, Pekajangan Medical College, Mardan, Pakistan. You know that difficult airway is a hypercritical and chaotic situations that can lead towards patient death. That's why the awareness of management is essential. For this purpose, I invite you all to my international affiliates to join this workshop through online. You know that it is free and online, so you can access wherever you are, and everyone will get the certificate of attendance. For join, please you can fill the registration link. That the link is provided in the column description below. Thank you.